Hi fellas, welcome back. When I was out in the car, I always like to do some footage of us drive, like I try and get my face while I'm driving and that, do you know what I mean? But I haven't had any way of holding the camera while I'm driving. So I went on Amazon, I got this. Is that not the most satisfying thing in the world to do? I paid about £4 for this. You can hold like a proper, like a DSLR style camera on it. Let's show you what I mean by that. Like apparently you can hold like these cameras on it. Let's try it actually. Just got a thread in the bottom, goes in the bottom of the camera. It's not holding that like. So if you buy one to hold a DSLR, I mean this is a big DSLR, but it just didn't feel like it was anywhere near holding it. It's got like a screw here. You tighten that, and that moves about. Do you know what I mean? You can get your angle. It's got like a little sooty bit. It does have a big range of movement, especially with this ball head. You can kind of put wherever you want. Rotates everywhere. Do you know what I mean? It feels fairly solid. But we'll get in the car. I'm going to stick it on the windscreen. And we'll try it with this camera. This is just an iPhone. It's what I used to do army videos. Do you know what I mean? I'm not lumping this thing about, and the focus is, it sucks at focusing for video. So I prefer to just use the phone. It's a lot easier. But we'll go and get the car out. We'll go for a drive. I'll mount this on the windscreen and we'll see what it's like. How in? Right, we're going to stick it on the windscreen. So what I gather is, you just put it on, just stick it on your windscreen, then you pull this flap down. Should be easy. So the next bit of footage you see is going to be mounted on that. Let's go for a drive. Always put your seatbelt on.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a...
So I did just have it on the front facing camera on my iPhone there, and it looked like it was flickering a bit. I'll put the footage in now. So as you can see, it looks like it's waving a bit. I'm not sure why that is. Obviously something to do with the camera. When it's on front facing, spot on. I'm tempted to try it on my paintwork and go for a drive, but what if my camera blows off? We'll have a try. Am I doing 30 mile an hour, mind? I'm not doing like git 70 with it strapped on. I don't want to do this, mind. It might blow off. Fingers crossed this doesn't blow off. That was stuck just there, straight on the windscreen. I'm sure it'll hold on to the paint as well. I'll put on the paint, but I'm not putting the camera in. So just hold on to the paint. If you're sticking a GoPro or something in, you'll be alright. Pull over though, I'll get that off the bonnet. Seatbelt. Don't forget your seatbelt, fellas. Don't forget your seatbelt. Just hear me tyres catching a tiny little bit on the front arch here. Do you know what it is, fellas? Honestly, it's holding the camera mint. The only issue is with the phone. If I've got the phone on the front facing camera, it just kind of flickers about a bit. That's obviously an issue with the iPhone, but if you've got like your GoPro or anything else in, it's going to be spot on. Let's try it in the back window. Sunroof and headlining fitted soon, hopefully. Where you gone, man? How are you? fellas or ladies or whoever, for £4 or £5 this isn't a bad holder. You're going to be able to get your GoPros in, your phone, small cameras, you know, like little point and shoot. You might get a small DSLR in. I don't know if you will get a big, like the one I had. Oh yeah man, do I need to lick this to stick? That's twice it's fell off. I've given the sucker a bit of a clean, so we'll see if that helps it stay on a bit better, you know what I mean? I've given it a clean. I've given it a basic clean. It hasn't fell off since. I mean, it was brand new and I pulled that sticky plastic stuff off, and it hasn't fell off since. It's been on the windscreen now for about 10 minutes. This isn't a smooth car. It's on like coil-over suspension and that, you know what I mean? And it's still fairly stable. But on the issue I've had with the phone on the rear camera, it just kind of like waves a bit. I don't know what that is. Something obviously with a phone. But honestly, the quality's decent for £4 or £5. There's no machine parts. It's all like cast. I mean, you're not going to pick it out the box and be like, whoa, this is good quality. Focus ST gone past. But honestly, fellas, for the price, £4 or £5, you're not going to go wrong. But anyway, let's have a little drive along the beach. There's a young lass in a car next to us. What do you reckon she's thinking of this car at the minute? I reckon she's thinking, what the hell is that?
It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while, I thought you might be bailing.
So there you have it, fellas. I'll leave a link in the description if you want one of these. I know it's no Gadget Show quality review. I'm not going to get in the BBC with my reviews, but whether you want to buy one just to try and to see if it's what you're wanting, or it is ideal for phones, point and shoot cameras, GoPros, I wouldn't really recommend a DSLR, or at least not a big one like what I have. I feel like it's just too heavy and it's just the screw it hasn't got enough tension to hold it. But anyway, fellas, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe.